Hello, welcome back to Diamond Painting with Cats and Dogs. Thank you for if you are back to see what we're unboxing. And if you're new, uh, this is what we do. We diamond paint. I also would like to take a moment and apologize for not getting a bunch of videos out over each week. Uh, Helen and I both have been dealing with some health issues. So that's why you haven't seen much from us, but we should be back on track now. I have 7 unboxings, diamond paintings to unbox. So we're going to get started and go from there. So the first one here are from Dreamers Designs. And the first one you have is, let me see if I can get this in there right. It's a little blurry. This is White Christmas. And let's see, it is Macklin Studios, if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry. This is a 90 by 60. This has been unboxed. Other people have unboxed it. So I'm not going to unbox it here. And I'm saving this until Christmas time. So I just wanted to show you, though, that I have it and got it. And this one here is called Summer Celebration, license from Alan Gina. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. This is a 80 by 60 centimeter. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this real quick here. Get the thing. Okay. Comes in a nice cover, as you can see here. Nice cloth. Keeps it protected. Okay. We're going to go ahead and pull out all the tools and drills first. Ooh, look at those colors. It's stuck way down at the other end. Mm-hmm. See if I can get everything out. Sorry. Okay, we got instructions. All right. Here's the instructions on how to do the diamond painting. And it has a QR code in this to get 15% off on your next purchase, but it tells you step by step on how to do the diamond painting and little tips and tricks if you need it. And then on the back they have their Dreamers Designs for Instagram and Facebook and their website too. And let's see here. It's a nice pouch. I love their pouches. They're so soft. Okay. Let's see here. Your typical kit here. Maybe if I can get it open. Okay, you get 2 of these waxes. You get multi-placers. I think this is a, not sure. This might be a 3 or 4. That's a 6. And a straightener. You get 2 pins, 2 squishies. Let's see here. These are nice. Gotta be careful. They're sharp. Nice tweezers. This is to divide, to put in more than one color. Stick it in there. You can have 2 colors at one time. I like their tray. It's pretty. And then a whole bunch of baggies. So that's what comes in their kit. This isn't a small tray either. It's a pretty nice size tray. Usually they're smaller. Okay. Here's their colors. I see some ABs in there, so we'll see. We're going to get the do my best to, I don't know if I could fit this whole drawing in here, but let's see. It's a little, okay, here's the drawing. I don't know if you can read that. I apologize if it's blurry. I've got a new camera, so I'm working with trying to get it focused. But here's the drawing. It's Summer Celebration by Alan Gina. Apologize if I don't say the name right. And it's a round, and it's a 80 by 60 centimeter. And then you have your stickers over here to go on your storage containers. Looks like some of them might be cut off. Just got to be careful of that. But that works. And let's see here. From what I can see here, we've got I don't know about no ABs. The ABs are down here now on this one. So it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Let's see. Let's see if we can find some of them on here. No, there's some up here. If I move this over, there's some up here in the fireworks. There's looks like to be some O's. What else do we got here? Some 3s. Some 3s down in here. It looks to be in the bushes. Some E's. Here's some more O's. So there's Aurora Borealis over in here. Where is some E's? I don't see no E's. There's some 3s. So here's some scattered in here. ABs. Let's see. I'm sorry if it's blurry. I really do apologize. I don't know why my camera is doing that. I will have to maybe see if I can bring this out a little bit more. Just bear with me here, folks. Let's do that. Let's see, does that help? It's a little better. Let's see here. Whoops. It's okay. I do apologize if you got a little bit of a shine. Let me see. Maybe if I do this. Whoops. Not sure what. Oh, there's the glare on that one. Okay. Anyways, let's see. We got some E's in here. So it looks to be in the bushes down in here. I apologize. Yeah, down in here. And then we got a cross and 9s. Where would... Oh, there's some crosses over in here. I think this is going to be really pretty to spread out some of these ABs. See, here's some 9s, which is right here. Spread in here. Ooh, some greens, ABs. This is going to be a nice drawing. I cannot wait to do this. It's a round too, and I like doing rounds. It has the, whoops, sorry. I need a bigger desk. Summer Celebrations up here, and who is licensed by the size. It tells you the size of the drawing. And there is 66 colors in this one. And a back comes with a lifetime warranty. Dreamers Designs does this too. And let's see, we got legend on both sides, and then all their social media stuff is up here. So you can still, find them anywhere on their websites. But this is Summer Celebration, and I can't wait to do this. I had to wait a little bit to get it, but I finally got it. Let's see here. Let's roll this up. Bear with me here. And we will pull out those special drills so we can see them. Sorry for the noise. There's a lot here. 66 colors is a lot of colors. All right. Okay. All right, we've got, I don't know if you can see that or not. I guess you can kind of see it. I could bring this down a little bit. All right. I don't know if it's blurry or not, folks. Sorry, my cats are getting in the way. All right. Well, there's 152, 154, 155, 209, 223. We've got 2 310s, 317, 318, and 321. So we got two of those. Okay. And then we've got 327, 333, 336, 340, 414, 415, 498, 554, 645, and 646. Let's see here. Next batch is not very big. Not a lot of colors. 647, 648, 699, 700. That's a pretty green. 702, 703, 718, 745, 777, and 801. And then we've got, it's so, 813, 823, 825, 826. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. 827. Did I say 8? Okay. 844, 890. That's a lot of green. 895, 902, and 904. That's a pretty green. And then we've got 905, 2, 3. We got two 905s. And 906, 938, 939, 961, 962, 3072, 3345, and 3371. And then 3862, 3863, 3864. And then first Borealis AB white, as you can see. Wish it wasn't so blurry, but I don't know why it's blurry. And then here's the green AB. There's like a orange AB, and then red AB, and then another yellow, a yellow. Ooh, lots of AB. And then we've got 3607. That's pretty. 3608, 3705, 06, 08, straggler, 3746, 3799, 3819, 3831, and 3832. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing with those colors. I can't wait to do it with the ABs. And stick around and we'll go to the next one. Thank you. Make sure that you also like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That will help our channel. And hopefully you'll enjoy the next unboxing.